Trading on liquidity has been very easy the moment I realized this on gold. Right here, you guys can see I was able to secure $388 trading this very particular liquidity concept, which I'll be showing you guys in this video. So right here on the screen, you guys can see there is a liquidity sitting at this very particular highs, and also there is a liquidity sitting at this very particular lows. So if you watched my previous video, I showed exactly how I do trade liquidity and also how I do identify high liquidity setups, which I actually use to trade, right? So I won't be making this video that very long. I'll try my possible best to explain everything and make this video as short as possible. So right here on the screen, you guys can see at this very particular point, there is actually a liquidity sitting at this very particular lows, and you guys can actually see what what price did the moment it tapped this liquidity and it started going all the way up. But let me go over to the 30 minutes time frame. That's what I use for my analysis. So right here on the 30 minutes time frame, you guys can see at this very particular point there is a liquidity sitting at this very particular lows, and let me just extend this a little. On the 30 minutes time frame, this is actually a liquidity, but on the 5 minutes time frame, this very particular low liquidity is very valid on the 5 minutes time frame, because you won't be able to find the higher time frame liquidity. Let me let me go back to that very particular point. Right here, you guys can see on the lower time frame, you won't be able to mark all these candles as liquidity. You would only mark this very particular week as the liquidity on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame, this is actually the liquidity at this very particular point, and you guys can actually see what price did the moment it came to this very particular liquidity. And this very particular trade was sent to my inner circle yesterday, and I'll be showing you guys everything right now. So right here on the screen, this is actually it. You guys can see I actually sent it the moment I left the trade. And also before that, let me show you guys something. So right here, this was actually the buy limit. You guys can see buy limit on XAUUSD at this very particular point, and stop loss, take profit, and everything. And this one was actually sell limit, because right here also you guys can see what price actually tried retracing, coming all the way up to this very particular zone. You guys can see. So I now told them to set sell limit, but as I was still on the chart, price started reversing, retracing all the way down here, and tapped this very particular liquidity sitting at this very particular point and started going all the way up. So which now made this our buy limit valid. And I now told my inner members in the inner circle to delete the sell limit, and the moment the buy limit actually came active, I also showed them in the inner circle. You guys can see right here on the screen, and this one is actually my vprop account. So I told them now active, and you guys can see delete this sell limit. So, and also the moment the trade actually went in our favor and smashed TP1, I also told everyone in my inner circle. You guys can see, right? So, and also the moment it's still smashed our TP2, I also told everyone in my inner circle. You guys can see everything right here on the screen. And also the moment it now smashed TP3, you guys can see everything on the screen. And the moment I now took profit at 4.1 RR, you guys can also see right here on the screen. So that's actually it, and I've already made a video showing you guys exactly how I do trade this liquidity. So if you want the video, let me know down there in the comment section. And you guys can see price went all the way up to our full take profit on this very particular trade. And actually, you guys can see this is actually liquidity. Let me remove this very particular stuff so you guys will see it clearly. There's a liquidity sitting at this very particular lows. So guys, that's actually it. And right now, currently, I'm up about $811 in my VProp account, and the profit target on this very particular account is $1,200. And in my GFT account, I'm up $210 in profit. and the profit target for this very particular account is 2k. So hopefully by God's grace, let's see how this month would actually be. I'll make sure I come right here on this platform and update you all on how the progress is going lately, so you guys will track the progress much more closely. And also, if you would love to join my inner circle, link to my inner circle would be down there in this video description, so you can actually go and check it out. Join my inner circle, and that is actually where I do drop all the trades that I take in both my GFT account and also in my VProp account. I do send them to the inner circle even before I take them, so you can actually benefit from it too. And also, if you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know down there in the comment section of this video. And if you got value from this video, go over now to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this later in the future. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Keep winning, and I hope to see you all at the top. Thank you guys for watching.